In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio from NotebookLM. Whether you're looking to save your lectures, interviews, or any other audio files stored in your NotebookLM, I'll guide you through this simple process. With just a few straightforward steps, you'll be able to download the audio files you need directly onto your device. First, you'll want to begin by opening your web browser and navigating to NotebookLM's website. Just enter notebooklm.google.com into your address bar and hit enter. Once the website has loaded, you'll be presented with all your notebooks. Take a moment to locate the specific notebook that contains the audio you're interested in. Simply click on it to open it up and get started. Once inside your chosen notebook, you'll need to find the Studio panel. Think of the Studio panel as your command center for managing audio files. It holds all the tools and features you'll need. Glance around the interface. It could be located to the side or as a tab within the notebook, depending on the layout you're using. Go ahead and click on it to see the options it has to offer. Inside the Studio panel, you'll want to look for a section labeled Audio Overview. This section is designed to provide you with quick access to all the audio files associated with that particular notebook. You should see a list or a collection of the audio files that are part of your current project or note. Now, once you've found the audio file you wish to download, the rest is a breeze. Next to each audio player within the Audio Overview section, there's a handy three-dot menu icon, also known as an ellipsis. This symbol is ubiquitous with providing additional options or settings. Click on this three-dot menu beside your desired audio file. A small drop-down menu will appear with several choices. Select the option labeled Download. Upon clicking it, the download will initiate and the audio file will automatically start saving to your device. Typically, NotebookLM saves these audio files in WAV format, a common and versatile audio format that's compatible with a wide range of media players and editing software. And there you have it. A straightforward way to download audio from NotebookLM. All it takes is a little navigation and a few clicks here and there, and you can have your audio files ready for offline use whenever you need them. I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you ever need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.